Wait, stop. Don't take it out on your laptop. I know you're frustrated you're running out of space. I've got the perfect fix for you. In this video, I will show you the 4 best methods to free up your laptop storage. The last method is a lifesaver, as it will automatically clear all unwanted system files for you. Method 1. Clean up temporary files. Press Win+ or to open the Run dialog box. Type %temp% and press Enter. Now select all files and permanently delete them. If you see a message saying some files cannot be deleted, click Skip to continue deleting the rest. Method 2. Clean Windows Update files and other junk using the Disk Cleanup tool. Go to the Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, and open the tool. Now, select the drive that is full and click OK. Click on Clean Up System Files, check all the checkboxes, including Windows Update Cleanup, and click OK to proceed. This will remove unnecessary files like old Windows updates, temporary files, and system junk, freeing up space and improving your PC's performance. Now, let's move on to the next method. Method 3. Uninstall Unused applications. Go to the Windows Start menu and click on Settings. Then, click on Apps. Here, you can find all installed applications. You can sort the applications based on size, and if you don't use them, you can simply uninstall them. This will free up a huge amount of space on your system drive. Method 4. Enable Storage Sense. Again, go to the Start menu and type Storage Settings. Here, you can get an overall idea of how much storage is occupied by documents, apps, and temporary files. You can also manually find the large files and either delete them or move them to external storage. Now turn on the Storage Sense button and click on Configure Storage Sense or run it now. Storage Sense automatically frees up space by deleting unused temporary files, old system files, and recycle bin content, helping manage storage without manual intervention. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to show your support.